Hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this Kemei with a model number KM1949. It's an old Kemei, but I haven't unboxed this type before. Got 1400 milliamp battery, 5 watts, 2.5 hours charging time, and 180 minutes operating time. So I ordered me the golden one. Yep. And I was testing StarCraft X Pro Blade on it, and it was good. It was really good. So inside you got oil, got combs, manual, little brush, and the charging cable. So this is the trimmer. That's USB Type C. '70 years anniversary logo on it, and this blade you cannot zero gap. So, like I said before, I was testing StarCraft X Pro Blade on it, and it was very good, and it feels good on the hand. So, without blade, the RPM should be without blade. So, now I'm gonna test a monster blade on it. This side is small. So the camera in front of me can't really do it. So you can see, you can put StarCraft X Pro Blade on it without any more than Monster Blade, Monster 2.0 blade. Yes, it's 2.0, so it's all the same. And it is very, very quiet. Believe me, it is very, very quiet.